all the.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna work on this 2016 Ford F-150, and the customer came. He has a complaint about the radio, sometimes not functioning fine, sometimes it takes a lot of time to respond, so we're gonna work on that. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it on to see if we find an issue. This is a push start, by the way, so we're gonna see what's going on. Let me turn off the AC. So as we can see, it takes a little bit. We can hear the music right now, so it sounds good, but sometimes the customer says it stops working or takes too much time to respond. So what we're gonna do is we're going to reprogram the radio with an update that it has for this radio, and the only way to find out if you have an update is by getting your VIN number, and you have to type it in here, download the software, and we're gonna need a USB, and it's better if you have a 2.0 USB, because I have another video where I did a flex fork and I was using a 3.0 and it wasn't working. So you need a 2.0, but yep, on this one you're gonna type in your VIN number right here. We're gonna press enter. Actually, let me take you to the first page and start downloading the software, which I already did. So okay, it says right here we're gonna check the VIN. So check updates, you put your VIN there, and you have to go to this website, help4.com, upgrade sync, and we see here we have an update for this car. So I already downloaded that and I put it in the flash drive here. You're gonna get a zip file like this. So what you have to do is plug in your drive, make sure it has nothing in there, right click on it, and you're gonna put extract files, and then you're gonna see the files right there. You're gonna select, your USB thumb drive, and just press OK, and it's gonna unzip the files right there. Alright, so once that's done, you can exit everything now and remove your flash drive, and that will be pretty much it for now. So what we have to do now is find the USB slot. And one more thing, guys, make sure the USB that you're using is in file exFAT, otherwise it's not gonna work. So you have to make sure it's in exFAT format, because the newer ones are in a different format. So this thing needs to be in the format for this to work. Alright, so we have the USB here already uploaded with information, so we're just gonna plug it in, and we should see information pop right away. And there we go, updating system. So we're just gonna wait a little bit until it's updated, and we're gonna go to about, and we have the version right here. So once everything's finished, we should see the version 3 point something. So for now we're just gonna let it update and hold for some minutes. Alright, I'll be back when it's ready. Alright, so we finally got the message. It says you might have to remove now the USB, and the update is gonna take effect on the next cycle when you turn off the car and turn it on. So I'm just gonna remove this USB and press close. We turn off the car, and now we're just gonna start it back, and we should see this updating. We check if it updated, and no, still wait. And we see here it's been updated to version 3.0. Ready. And it's restarting. And this, guys, this will be the end of the video. So this has been updated successfully to version 3.0. So this will be the end of the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
We're a perfect match, pulling punches, toe to toe, we're always on the road.